In lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to select top n records in Power BI. So first here, let's see Power BI, and here I'm using the employees table. The next is this table that's selected. Now let's click on new table. So new table, and there giving the name or this place top records, and after that let's use here top n function. So now it accepts 1, 2, 3, more than 4 parameter. First is 4 values. Let's display here 10, top 10, and then you need to give the table name. So table that I'm going to use employees. And then after this place, the next is here you need to give the expression. So giving the expression or selecting here employees, and wanna display the records according to employee ID. Okay, and let's make that ascending. Now let's press enter. So this will display top 10 records. If I make that sorting, then here you can see this is now top 10 records. If I go on this employees, so here you can see 100, 109. Top 10 record is now 100, 109. Okay, and the next is if you don't give this place, if you don't give the comma, then let's see what happens. So this also returned the top or 10 records, and here this sorting is selected. So this is it's not mandatory. If you want, then you can give the column's name, or if you don't want, then you need to give the column name. If I want to print top 5, so here top 5 records, it's a display. If I go on there, top 5 record 0, 100 to 105, and to get here or descending, order, or bottom, from the bottom wanna display the top 5 records. So here a special flag is not allowed, or allowed as an argument number 3 of the function top 3. Okay, so this unit no need, you can't give this place here argument, you need to give the column name next. After that you can apply. So this is the things. So now here let's use employees, then employee ID, and now giving descending. Then this time that's work. So top 5, this is displaying from the descending. If I select this one and scroll down, so here you can see after, or here this is now 199 and here 200. So after doing the descending, after doing the sorting, then here you can get top, or here you can get the this record 202, 203, 204. So this is the bottom record after doing the sorting. So when that sort, then here you can see if I apply it there on this descending order, then you can see here this place 201, 202, 203, 206. So that here this place, or this is displaying 202 to 206 is the bottom, or top, bottom from bottom top 5 record. Okay, so this is the way we can get here or top n record from any or table using Power BI. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.